Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to switch from Tracfone to Mint Mobile. Now to switch from Tracfone to Mint Mobile, you'll actually need to ensure first that your phone is unlocked and it's actually compatible, right, with Mint Mobile. So just check for coverage as well in your area, make sure that you're covered, and then you can go ahead and initiate the porting process, okay? So what you need to do, ensure that you have your billing zip code, your account number, and transfer PIN before you even begin this process. And remember, guys, I'm emphasizing for this. Please do not cancel with your current carrier until after Mint activation is complete. What ends up happening is people go ahead and cancel, and then they just lose their number. They just give the number to someone else. So please, please, please be careful, okay? Now, after that, they'll ask you to choose a plan. They give you 5 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, or unlimited data plans. And you can actually start for 3 months at their lowest price, and then you have to renew for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Okay? So keep that in mind, and then you'll have to choose your preferred SIM option. So you can either do instant activation with their digital eSIM delivery or a physical SIM card. They'll be mailed to you. Okay? So you'll have to wait a little bit for that, but just make sure your phone is compatible because some phones are eSIM only. So then you'll only be able to get eSIM, right? Then you just go ahead and activate your phone plan. You can go do this on the Mint Mobile app or website. And there you go. You are officially done. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.